Collecting okra seeds. Dysfunctional vet here. You want to wait for the seed pods to open up on their own, and then you want to get them off the plant before they all fall to the ground. This one got pulled out of the ground when an animal ran through there, and as you can see, it has one or two seeds that have ripened, and the rest of them are non-viable. So you always want to let the seed pods open on the vine or open on the plant and pick them before they fall out. And this is what they'll look like when they're ready to be picked. Now you just let them dry in the sun for a few more days so that they won't mildew, and then you can take your seeds and throw them in the freezer until next planting season. Here they are growing, and as you can see, this one is pretty good size. It's about 6 inches long, about inch and a half in diameter. This one is a little bit bigger, not drying out. This one is beginning to turn yellow, which means it's getting ready to dry out and break. And you have to check these things every day. In fact, I check twice a day. You can see how light in color this one is. It's very close, and the others are too. One thing about okra, you have to look at it from many different angles because it's real easy to miss them, even when the plants are as thin as these or as thick as those. Those are, I believe, spineless crimson, and these are some type of giant okra. I'm not sure of what their name is. And here's the seed that's getting ready to pop. Let's go over there and look at it from another angle. This is that one I was just talking about that I said we'd take a look at from another angle. You can see that the shell is beginning to crack. And so I'll need to check back on this one this afternoon and seeing if it's aligned all the way. If the thing dies completely once it's split, the seeds are pretty much going to fall on the ground. You'll never find them. So the best thing to do is as soon as they're all split open and you can tell that they're all ready to be planted, go ahead and cut it off, dry it in the sun. Some of them I cut off because it was raining. I put under a fan so that they would dry out and not mildew, and that also worked. But that's only because it was raining at the time. Dysfunctional Vet, out.